Hello guys. I watching some other YouTube channel and people they complaining about their MacBook Air M2 unable to replacing the screen. So today I got a chance of having a fully working MacBook M2, right? Next to this is this one is another one that got a problem with the motherboard, right? This is a brand new screen. So what we're gonna do, the first thing is I will try to swap the board from this gray machine to the yellow one. See, is that working and everything's working fine. So a lot of people complaining about the top-notch blurry screen. Let's go for it. Thank you. Okay guys, so finally we finished to install the new screen for the MacBook Air M2. So far I believe all of the functional of the replacement screen is working as it should be. Say this, I just testing the light sensor and the thing is working. Okay, no complaint. Um, So thank you for watching, and yes, we can replacing the MacBook Air M2. However, just remember, look at this cable here. If you got a replacement screen and the cable is not trained or not bent, it will take a lot of time to adjust it. So be careful. Thank you. Check some basic function here. The brightness is okay. I never use a True Tone, so I've got no idea what does that look like. But it's a True Tone display, so the thing should be working normal. Alright, so confirm. Swap motherboard is no problem. Now the next step I'm gonna do is I will replacing this screen to a new one, see what really happened. Okay guys, so I just swapped the board on from the yellow machine to the gray one now, and the screens look alright. There is no fuzzy on display. Right. Let me try some other function. Let's see what happens. So sleep. Okay, it's on. That's good. Shut down. Yep, you can wake up the. Oh, still. All right, so I haven't tested True Tone yet, but I don't care. Let's see. Just a quick overview to do this job. I already opened up the bottom of the gray machine first, right? And at least you need to have a 5 type of screwdriver. So have a look at that properly if you want to do it yourself. And that's on the spec of the screws there. And hopefully you have all of these things, okay? Okay guys, this is a MacBook Air battery connector. So please do, before doing anything, just try to remove this connector. Here you go. This is the battery connector. Thank you. Bye. Okay, just before I take this motherboard out, I want to show you guys this function. Even this MacBook is in original condition, right? Just tap the spacebar, and here you go. Turn on. You don't need to turn on by the power button. How's that? All right. So let's see.